China has recorded its highest number of daily COVID cases since the pandemic started, despite the Chinese government's persisting with a zero-tolerance approach involving strict lockdowns and travel restrictions. The numbers are relatively small when compared with China's vast population of 1.4 billion and the caseload that was seen in Western countries at the height of the pandemic. But under Beijing's strict zero-COVID policy, even small outbreaks can shut down entire cities and place contacts of infected patients into strict quarantine. The National Health Bureau said that the country recorded 31,454 domestic cases, out of which 27,517 were without symptoms. The unrelenting zero-COVID push has caused fatigue and resentment among the population as the pandemic's third anniversary approaches, sparking violent protest and hitting productivity in the world's second-largest economy. On Wednesday, violent protests erupted at Foxconn's vast iPhone factory in central China, with videos showing dozens of hazmat-clad persons using batons and chasing employees. The employees living under tough COVID-19 restrictions for weeks were seen breaking barricades and rushing out of the premises. The iPhone city of China has been operating in a closed-loop bubble for several weeks, amid complaints that wages have not been paid regularly and workers have not been allowed to leave the premises. The latest figures of COVID-19 exceeded 29,390 infections, which were recorded in mid-April when megacity Shanghai was under lockdown, with residents struggling to buy food and access medical care. Several Chinese cities, including Beijing and Shanghai, have tightened COVID restrictions as cases surge. Chinese president said that the strict curbs are needed to protect the country's large elderly population. However, vaccination levels in China are lower than any other developed nations, and only half of the people aged above 80 have their primary vaccinations.